Let's dive into how you can navigate the Toptal application process, a gateway to lucrative freelance opportunities. First things first, head over to the Toptal website. You should easily find the apply button and click on it. Excellent! You are on the right track now. You'll be prompted to create an account. This often involves providing your email address and some basic information about your skills and experience. Take your time and complete the registration steps. Afterwards, you'll be taken through the initial assessment steps. Prepare to showcase your skills. Toptal uses these assessments to evaluate your coding, design, or project management abilities. This may involve answering specific questions, completing tests, or delivering some work in order to measure your skill sets. The most important part here is the communication round. This phase assesses your ability to convey ideas clearly and collaborate effectively. The Toptal process helps make sure their freelancers can convey things efficiently. Practice articulating your skills and experience. Now for the project execution phase. Toptal evaluates your overall ability to deliver projects efficiently. This shows how well you can adapt to new challenges. Be ready to showcase your ability to execute your plans effectively. Remember, the application process is designed for the best. Be professional and confident, and you'll improve your chances of getting through. Good luck with your application. Now go out there and crush it.